In this video, we're diving into something super handy, how to use the AI Improve button. So maybe you've already used the AI Course Creation Assistant to build out your course. Or maybe not. Maybe you wrote everything yourself, but now you're reading it back and thinking, this could sound better, or I'm not sure this tone will click with all my students. That's where the Improve button comes in. It's basically your little writing assistant, built right into the platform. Here's how it works. Just open up any of your lessons. Yep, any one of them. And you'll spot the Improve button next to your text. It shows up almost everywhere. Lesson titles, descriptions, even inside your email messages to students. Want to tweak your lesson title? Click Improve. It'll give you a better version, and if you like it, just hit Use Title. Boom, done. Replaces the old one automatically. For lesson content, it's the same idea. The AI reads what you've got and gives you a refreshed version. You can just copy and paste the one you like. Super simple. Now, quick tip, this button isn't just for lessons. You'll also see it pop up in other spots, like when you're editing your student emails. Just go to the Messages tab under your course settings, open your welcome email, and hit the Improve button there too. And the cool part? You're always in control. Don't like the suggestion? No problem. Just undo it. Want to see more options? Click More, and the AI will give you a few extra takes. So, to wrap it up, the AI Improve button is there to make your content clearer, more polished, and better for your audience, without you having to overthink it. All right, that's it for now. Go try it out, and I'll see you in the next video.